Welcome to our tutorial on how to quickly react to a message in a group on WhatsApp web using your PC with the latest update. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and go to web.whatsapp.com to access WhatsApp web. This allows you to manage your messages and groups conveniently on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the group containing the message you want to react to. Locate the specific message within the chat. Hover over the message and click on the smiley face icon that appears. This will reveal a selection of reaction options. Click on React and then the plus sign, plus, to confirm your desire to react to the message. This ensures that your chosen reaction is applied. You'll see a variety of emojis to choose from. Select the one that best represents your feelings towards the message you're reacting to. By following these steps, you can easily engage with messages in WhatsApp web groups and add a personal touch to your interactions with just a few clicks. The new quick reaction feature using emojis on WhatsApp web provides a simple way to respond promptly to messages, allowing you to express yourself creatively and effectively. Use this feature on your PC to express your reactions and participate actively in group discussions, enhancing your WhatsApp web experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative in showing you how to quickly react to messages in WhatsApp web groups on your PC. Enjoy reacting.